farewell, Monkey Mischief. This update did kind of suck anyway. I don't know if you already know, but Monkey Mischief is currently in $23,000 in debt for servers. Yes, you heard that right. 23K. That's a lot of fucking money that Monkey Mischief just doesn't have. And they can't pay, so currently none of the servers are working. Currently not in a room, so this video is basically my farewell to Monkey Mischief. You know, I was basically a beta tester. I played it like whenever like it first came out, like whenever it wasn't even available, like to anyone. Like it was literally just like a download that you could get, like in Discord or something. So this is most likely the end of Monkey Mischief. There's no more online. It's kind of sad, but like I don't even care. But yeah, this is my farewell to Monkey Mischief, because this is basically like I don't know how they're gonna pay 23K. But yeah, I'm just gonna get on top of this mountain real quick. Gunther. I mean, what the? But yeah. Goodbye, Monkey Mischief. It was good knowing ya.